Did you know that the European Union is not just talking sustainability, it's implementing it. Through the Green Deal, Europe aims to be the first climate-neutral continent by 2050. To get there, one key step is transforming how we use, design, and dispose of the product. Under the Digital Product Passport, it's a central piece of the new Ecodesign for Sustainable Product Regulation, or ESPR. This regulation sets concrete rules. Product must be durable, reusable, repairable, and recyclable. And the DPP makes all of that traceable. It's not just about ticking boxes, it's about building a circular economy, where products don't just get used and tossed, but reused, repaired, and reintroduced into the economy. That's smarter for the planet and smarter for the business. SATO is already working this framework, helping businesses prepare now what will soon become the standard across Europe. Do you want to learn more about DPP? Contact me today for more information.